it is time to plan week 31 in my Laurel Denise Kristy planner. This is the last week in July. Saturday will be the 1st of August, and it's also National Planner Day. So I did get out my planner stickers from Laurel Denise so I can use that for Saturday. I'm not really sure what I'm going to use in here. I do know, I should say that, I don't know because I do know, I'm going to use the last stickers from this sticker set from Planner Kate, these. I don't have enough of these numbers, but I was able to find another sheet where I have the little date numbers that I can use. So I'm going to use those. And then I went looking for some fun decorative stickers for the other days. So I've just sort of been flipping through these other Happy Planner sticker books that I have, and I can't decide. So I'm going to turn this around and let's see what I come up with for week 31. Let's quickly look back at last week. I loved this spread. This just made me happy. I love the blue, I love the lemons, the whole thing made me so happy. And if we look quickly back, I've been getting a little bit more decoration in here than normal. So this was a great week. I loved how this worked. And then I wanted to do something similar in here. I still have a bunch of these structural stickers like the stars, this plaid, as far as washies. I haven't purchased a lot of the washies recently from Planner Kate. I've really just purchased these three like sticker sets, pages, I should say, for this month. And then I was going to use other things that I have. I did find this, which are the hello each month. I thought maybe I could do this for August because I do love these stickers. And these I normally put when they come in the sheets for the month. I put them, let's see, where is the beginning of the month? Like right here. But I kind of think maybe I'll do it here. I can't decide. I'm trying to decide what to do because this is the beginning of the month. So that could be kind of fun right here. Instead of putting, the date or whatever, just do that. And obviously I'm going to put something here to delineate the Friday from Saturday, but because it's the end of the month, I don't know, maybe I'll do something different here. So let's see what I come up with. Then I did find these stickers from Planner Kate. I used one already for the monthly, but this is the National Planner Day is August 1st. So I thought maybe I could use some of these, but none of them really say, they say this is my planner coffee. None of them are, they're just planning stickers. There's nothing specific to that, but I don't know. So maybe I'll use one of these in here. And then I have the little birthday ones. I was just looking through all my stickers, but there's no birthdays this week. But I just found that. And then I have a bunch of sticker books that I was thinking I could use some of these. I don't know. This one is kind of great. I liked this one. This is Summer Fun and lots of really good decorative things in here. And I've used a few of these this month. So maybe like this is kind of great. The lemonade stand, there's an ice cream. Maybe I could get into, look at the little bees and flowers. And maybe, oh, I love all these. So I could get in here. There's no like big like flowers and stuff that I used last week, and nothing really on clear stickers. This is Whimsical Seasons. We've got some summer like this one. Here, those are pumpkins, so that's not gonna help me. Oh, I could do this one. It says spring on the summer fun. That's kind of fun. And we've got these. So these are kind of great. And that's kind of neat. These flowers are nice. So there's a bunch of different things. I hate to say this, and if I say this out loud, oh my goodness, I need more sticker books. I need some more decor books. So I may have to get involved in that. So let's see how this goes and what I get up to, because I kind of want this to be a fun spread for the end of July, beginning of August.
that is a final look at this week so far. I really wasn't sure what I was going to do, and I went through those books several times, and I thought these colors kind of went with this, and this was throwing me off because I have this plaid here and it doesn't really go with everything else. Totally fine. I did want to delineate the weekend this. I have the Hello August. I didn't do anything about Planner Day. I probably should do something there, but there's no real sticker on here that says National Planner Day. But I could just do planner time, or maybe I'll just add one of these at some point on here. But I did not really use that idea. I do love these. I thought these were great, and I just stuck with the sort of the sardines, the fish theme that was in that book. So I think that's it for now. I need to add in some of my appointment stickers and things like that, but this is a great base for this next week. And then as far as August, this is what August looks like right now, if you haven't seen that video. And I do have the National Planner sticker there, and I need to fill in some things and add a few little things. But I do love that I did these flowers in here. So this is looking great, and I'm really excited about this. So that is week 31. I really have to push out of my own comfort zone when I am pulling stickers, because it takes me a long time to figure out what matches, what I want to use, and not get caught up in, this plaid washi right here, which is kind of what happened. I was like, well, how am I going to match this? So that threw me off for a while, and I do like adding things in the columns for the week. As you can see, I've been doing that consistently now for a few weeks, and I kind of like that. I like that just decor around. And this big block here is a nice just sort of grounding for the weekend sort of column, and maybe put notes for what's coming the following week or the next week. So it's a work in progress. I got rid of the habit tracker. Maybe I'm gonna bring that back. I'm not really sure. Haven't really thought about the habit tracker. Maybe I'll add that maybe right here in this section right here, because I feel like that was good when I had it, and I was more focused on water, exercise, and all the things, even though I can see it for the week, but that way if I check them off. So I may do that. I may go to Planner Kate and maybe get one of those little tiny habit tracker stickers to put there, because that would be so easy, right? Instead of drawing it in. But again, that is up for negotiation or thoughts or whatever. And thank you to one of my readers, Gina, for reminding me that Planner Kate has a big sale this week on Wednesday, the 29th. So I definitely think you should check that out. I'm going to check that out because maybe they'll have that as one of the sale items, and I can add that to my sort of sticker stash. I do have these ones that I really like, and maybe I could buy more of these because these are fun for the new month. These like Hello September, whatever. I love these. And I have a lot of stickers left over that I can use for appointments and things like that. So I'm going to go in and add those in and set up the rest of the week. So thank you so much for hanging with me for this quick setup of week 31. And if you have any thoughts, questions, other decor stickers that I should use, let me know. I feel like I need to branch out. And I know so many of you have commented and left me sticker sources, but I need to really put them to the test and order them, find them, and do all that. So let me know if you have any great decor stickers, or even if they have banners or they have days of the week or numbers or something that you think would work in the Kristy. Let me know. I would love to know. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next video goes up. And that is going to be week 32. And I also have to do my monthly for September. So thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Have a great one, and I'll see you in the next video.